In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add milestones to a Jira roadmap. If you've ever tried to highlight important delivery checkpoints, major release targets, or executive tracking goals inside Jira and felt like the layout was harder to find than it should be, you're not alone. The good news is that Jira already includes a built-in roadmap view that makes this much easier once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get to the right project. Open the roadmap or timeline view, place a milestone on the correct date, name it clearly, and then quickly verify that everything looks right on the timeline. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira site or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. After you've logged in and the main dashboard has loaded, go to the Projects menu and choose the software project where you want to manage your timeline. This step is important because milestones are created inside the context of a specific project. So you want to make sure you're working in the right workspace before making any changes. Once you're inside the project, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. In that sidebar, find the option labeled Timeline or Roadmap, depending on how your Jira project is configured, and click it. This opens the visual planning area where your epics, date ranges, and higher-level scheduling information are displayed. Now that the roadmap is on screen, move your attention to the top portion of the timeline grid. Find the calendar area that matches the date or time frame where your team wants to mark an important checkpoint. Hover near the tool calendar header row so you're positioned in the right place before creating the milestone. Next, click on the target date area and look for either a diamond-shaped milestone icon or the Add Milestone option. Select it and Jira will place a new milestone marker directly onto the roadmap. This gives you a clean visual indicator that stands out from the rest of the timeline. As soon as the new marker appears, click into the text field that opens above it and enter a short, clear title for the milestone. Keep the name concise and specific so it's easy for everyone on the team to understand at a glance. A brief label works best, especially when multiple milestones appear close together on the roadmap. Then press Enter to save it. Finally, take a moment to review the timeline and confirm that the milestone sits in the correct location relative to your epics, delivery windows, and sprint plans. Jira saves these updates automatically, so once it looks right, your milestone is already live and visible in the roadmap. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.